Hello! Today we read a book about little Michael and about his room, about his mom, and about all of this mess in his room. And what has happened next? Let's see. Let's clean up. We see what happened when we pull. Look. There are toys, socks, dinosaurs on his bed. But after that, he cleans up everything and it's nothing here. It's clean bed. So let's start. Michael, Mom says, we need to clean up your room. But I want to play, says Michael. This is his mom. This is little Michael. And this is all of his toys. Let's play hide and seek, Mom says. Toys are hiding in all sorts of places. We need to find them. Okay, says Michael. Look, Mom says, I found a dinosaur hiding in your shoe. I put him in the dinosaur box. All of dinosaurs are in box. It's not mess anymore. I'm finding lots of dinosaurs, says Michael. You are good at this game, says Mom. Michael and Mom decide to find race cars. Vroom, 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 vroom. I see some cars, says Michael. And what is it? We see. Michael put all of his cars into the box. Good job, says Mom, smiling. Your room looks neat already. There are some more toys to clean up, Mom reminds Michael. I see you find some blocks. Can you find any that are hiding? I find lots of blocks, Michael says. I put them in the block box. Just over here. You find some books, says Mom. I wonder where they belong. I know, Michael says. On the bookshelf. You're right, Mom says. Good thinking. Look what happened. Whole shelf books. I find some socks hiding, called Mom. I put them in the sock drawer. Look, we find some socks. Nice work, says Mom. Do you see any stuffed animals hiding around here? asked Mom. I find all the animals, says Michael. They go up here on the shelf. I hope that you enjoy and see you later.